Namaskar. Welcome to Delhi Public School, where learning goes beyond the classrooms and creativity finds its voice. Presenting DPS Times, newsletter and DPS Prime Time, a platform where our students inform, inspire and innovate. Hello ma'am. So ma'am, you are the guiding force of our school who have always encouraged creativity and innovation. You always have inspired teachers to think beyond the textbooks. So ma'am, what do you think about the students actively running DPS Times and hosting DPS Prime Time?
Yes, ma'am, this is a very nice question asked by me. First of all, I want to answer this question. As the principal of this school, I am proud of my children, what innovation they are doing. By this innovation, they are learning a lot many things which cannot be explained here in the words. I know that they are doing this beyond their limits. They are learning their skills. They are learning new things which include innovation, creativity, coordination and lot many things by doing this. This is actually a small criteria where they are reflecting the school's innovations, activities and they are motivating directly or indirectly to the students to participate in that. Even I take proud to say that my children at this young age, what they are doing, participating by DPS Times or DPS Prime. See, I can imagine that no other school students even can do that, what they are doing. So as a privileged principal, I take proud in this.
You are absolutely true ma'am, and I appreciate the students and thank you for your valuable words. Now let's hear from our student team who bring this DPS Times to life. Hello Krish.
Hello ma'am.
So you have been handling the designs and the layouts. Did you find it challenging or fun?
ऑनेस्टली मैम ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी रही मेरे लिए. मेरा काम होता है एडिशन को क्रिएटिव, कलरफुल और अट्रैक्टिव बनाना. जब ये चीज़ मेरे फाइनल एडिशन जब रीडर्स के हाथ में जाता है और सब प्रेज करते हैं, सब बहुत तारीफ करते हैं, तो ये मेरे लिए रियली प्राउड का मोमेंट होता है.
That's true. Hello Himanshu.
Hello.
So you are the content coordinator and all the writings and articles go through you first, right? So can you please tell us about the major highlights of the newsletter?
Yes ma'am, as the content coordinator, my role is to guide every student writer and review every article carefully and make sure हम हर इशू में न्यू और डाइवर्स टॉपिक्स इंक्लूड करें जो स्टूडेंट्स और पेरेंट्स दोनों से कनेक्ट हों. DPS टाइम्स को इंगेजिंग बनाने के लिए हमने कुछ स्पेशल डिज़ाइन भी इंट्रोड्यूस किए हैं. मेडली एक्टिविटीज़, हर मंथ का स्कूल रिकैप विच इज़ फुल ऑफ एक्शन एंड लर्निंग. थॉट ऑफ द मंथ, एक पॉजिटिव थॉट जो सबको इंस्पायर करे. माइलस्टोन्स एंड अचीवमेंट्स, हमारे स्कूल के प्राउड हाइलाइट्स और अचीवमेंट्स. स्टार स्टूडेंट ऑफ द मंथ, एट DPS every month we celebrate our shining stars, the star student of the month from class 1st to 12th. Ink and Insight, जहाँ स्टूडेंट्स खुद के पोम्स और स्टोरीज लिखते हैं. एजुकेटर्स एज, जहाँ हमारे टीचर्स अपने आर्टिकल्स और थॉट्स शेयर करते हैं. क्रिएटिव कैनवास, ड्राइंग्स, पेंटिंग्स एंड आर्ट वर्क जो DPS के बच्चों की क्रिएटिविटी दिखाता है. और फाइनली अपकमिंग इवेंट्स, नेक्स्ट मंथ की एक्टिविटी स्केड्यूल ताकि हर कोई रेडी रहे. और मैम, ये सब मिलके न्यूज़लेटर एकदम लाइवली और वाइब्रेंट बनता है, एक छोटा सा मिरर ऑफ DPS लाइफ.
Aren't these impressive? Himakshi, that sounds literally wonderful. All the segments have literally captured the talent and the creativity of our students. This DPS Times literally feels like the voice of every student. Hello Yuvika.
Hi ma'am.
So Yuvika, can you please tell us about your contribution in DPS Times?
I have written this poem for my teachers to express my thanks that they have given this opportunity to express my views. Hi ma'am.
So Manya, can you please tell us about your contribution in DPS Times?
I took part in Creativity Canvas. That is amazing. Thank you to everyone.
Ma'am, what message would you like to give to the parents about encouraging their children to contribute or write?
Yes ma'am, first of all I would like to thank to all the parents for permitting their children to participate in DPS Times and DPS Prime. Without their support, nothing was possible. Directly, indirectly, they have contributed a lot in both the things. And I need their support in future also. I wish my parents all, they have faith in the school. The way school is nurturing their children, They are prepared.
Thank you, ma'am, for these inspiring words. To all our students and parents, stay creative, stay curious, and keep shining with DPS Times. See you in the next edition.